In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export fast in CapCut on PC. If you've edited your video and you're ready to share it, the last thing you want is to sit around waiting forever for it to export. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set things up in CapCut so your exports are as fast and smooth as possible, without confusing settings or unnecessary steps. First, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to export. Make sure everything on your timeline is exactly how you want it. The clips are in the right order, the music is lined up, and any text, transitions, or effects are finished. Exporting is always faster and easier when you don't have to come back and fix things later. So take a quick moment to review your video from start to finish. Once you're happy with the edit, look towards the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the Export button. This opens the Export panel, where you'll choose your final settings. These settings have a big impact on both the speed of your export and the quality of your video. Start by choosing a file name and a save location that you'll remember. It helps to use a simple, descriptive name and save it to a folder you use regularly for your videos, so you can find it quickly after the export is done. Next, choose the resolution. If your original footage is 1080p, exporting at 1080p is usually the best balance of quality and speed. Higher resolutions, like 4K, look great, but take longer to render and create larger file sizes. If you need a really fast export and smaller files, you can go down to 720p, especially for social media. Now look at the frame rate. Matching the frame rate of your source footage is ideal. For example, if you edited in 30 frames per second, export at 30 as well. This avoids unnecessary processing and helps the export complete faster. Then adjust the bitrate. Higher bitrates give you better quality, but also slower exports and bigger files. For most online content, a medium bitrate is more than enough. If there's a slider, avoid pushing it all the way to the maximum unless you truly need the highest possible quality. Before you start the export, close any heavy background programs to give CapCut more of your computer's processing power. When everything is set, click the Export or Start button and let it render. Once it finishes, play back the exported file to confirm everything looks and sounds right, and your fast CapCut PC export is complete.